If you're exploring becoming a life coach, or if you're someone who's already a certified life coach, you may be asking yourself, what is the best way to serve your clients, to grow your business? Should you coach your clients one-on-one or coach your clients together in small groups? Well, I've built several highly successful coaching companies in my life, and I have trained hundreds and hundreds of successful life coaches. And what I know is that if you become really good at life coaching, your clients are going to receive immense benefit whether you coach them one-on-one or you coach them in groups. But I will explain to you why I believe there's benefit in both. Ultimately, you're the highest authority. You get to decide what kind of coaching business you're going to design. But let me take you into some of what I've seen. Clients who earn six figures, clients of mine who are coaches who build six-figure and more coaching businesses. So some clients really benefit from the one-on-one attention. They really want your one-on-one attention. But I've also found that many of our life coaches at Life Mastery Institute prefer to coach in small groups rather than individually. The clients find that they learn and they multiply their growth in a quicker way by hearing other clients sharing what they're going through and then their growth, and there's a multiplication effect that happens in small group coaching. They also enjoy the camaraderie of being in a supportive group of like-minded, heart-centered peers. So while it's true that individual clients will invest usually more dollars to coach one-on-one with you, when you coach your clients in groups, you actually can serve a higher volume of clients at one time, which allows you to touch more lives and actually scale your coaching business much more quickly. But whether you choose individual coaching or group coaching, I know that you can achieve success with both. And it really comes down to, what would you love? You get to design a business and a life you love. You get to decide. For more tools on how to start or grow a successful life coaching business that makes a profound and lasting difference in the lives of others and allows you to earn an abundant income working from anywhere you choose, including the 4 pillars that every successful life coaching business must have, I invite you now to register for the free Intro to Life Coaching Masterclass. I'll be holding this free online workshop several times over the next few days, so simply click the link below now and choose a date and a time that works best for you, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the Life Coaching Masterclass.